Who are entrepreneurs? Are they rich, celebrities, educated? In this video, we will learn who are entrepreneurs and their characteristics. Let's begin with the characteristics of entrepreneurs. Gender, religion, ethnicity, or creed has nothing to do with who is an entrepreneur. There's also no evidence to support that entrepreneurs are born. However, family influence or knowing an entrepreneur can have a significant influence on the individual also becoming an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs are not gamblers. They are moderate risk takers who are goal-oriented, optimistic, creative, self-starter, tenacious, energetic, and are aware of the opportunities around them. Entrepreneurs are not necessarily young. Most entrepreneurs don't start their ventures until their 30s and 40s or even later in life. Contrary to popular belief of what you see on TV and magazine covers, not all entrepreneurs seek the spotlight because they don't crave the spotlight. Over the last decade, there has been an increase of women, minority, senior, and young entrepreneurs. Women-owned businesses continue to thrive, especially in the healthcare sector. College graduates are no longer seeking the traditional route of getting a 9-to-5 job after college. Instead, they are starting their own businesses with the help of university programs with business plan competitions and incubator spaces. So if you thought entrepreneurs were born or come from only one sector of the general population, you guessed wrong. Entrepreneurs come from all walks of life. Age, gender, and race have no bearing on who are entrepreneurs.